See, yeah. See, I'm about to do one rhyme like this. I'm about to do one rhyme like this in canaries. I understand you want canaries on your hand. Masterpiece, rolling gold, dry color band. Cute with a picture sitting on the nightstand. You don't want to make it happen unless it's the right man. I know you won't touch me unless you trust me. You kiss me or hug me, but still won't crush me. I'm kissing on your neck, real tender. Gentle as can be, but you still won't surrender. Let me kiss your eyes, let the smell of the incense enhance the vibe. As I pull back and stare at your eyes, you're sitting there quiet like you're hypnotized. We kissed a little more, laughed and smiled. Might even share your lollipop, you know my style. Kick your Charles Davis off, relax for a while. Let's pretend that we've been walking down the aisle. I can't explain it. Can't explain it. Our love was meant together. You're the greatest, nobody does it better. When you hold me, I wish that I could be your one and only. Nobody does it better. Just say what? Straight up, you're beautiful, B. I don't say what? And they say part. Straight up, you're beautiful, B. That's it. Straight up, you're beautiful, B. I don't mean to understand what you're doing to me. On the couch with your legs crossed, watching TV. Shoes hanging off the tip of your foot. You're killing me. Then we kiss for real. I'm fully prepared. I'm already still. I'll go to the bathroom for a second. Oh, love, I know what you're checking. You start to walk back and walk to me slow. You start to ease up and let it all flow. I'm kissing on your belly, being nice and slow. I love to take my time, love to give you a show. Quick the arms, y'all can serve up and travel below. Either handle like brother while baby can take control. Cause ain't no sense in staying calm and playing the role. Baby, relax, let me touch your soul. I can't explain it. Can't explain it. Our love was meant together. You're the greatest, nobody does it better. When you hold me, I wish that I could be your one and only. Nobody does it better. Okay, that shit good. Yo, hold on. How did that go? You go on. Jewels, I got your lip chops lifted out the spot, sound effects and whatnot. A little temperature above the right spot, just a touch, never too much. I lick it like a Dutch. So all my favorite numbers, you know what I mean. Add them up and it equals 16, and you can sense. I knew that you like a fix, I knew right in my mind, I knew we was gonna click. I pick up the pace, you feel the stubble on my beard on your face. I look at your lips and take a taste. I can't explain it. Can't explain it. Our love was meant together. You're the greatest. Nobody does it better. When you hold me, I wish that I can be your one and only. Nobody does it better. Say Future LL. Future LL Cool J. James Paul Smith. Say his friend. Say sing it. Say can't explain it. Can't explain it. Me make clear. Say peace. Say to him and his family, his daughter, his wife, Simone, little Indian girl, lollipop girl. Peace. The planet of the myths. Oh no. The planet of the apes. Oh, she right there. Yo, man, you made a move.